Say happy birthday, Jaren.
Happy birthday.
I can't see you again.
Hi Gene, it's KEJ from America. Happy belated birthday and congratulations on your 18th birthday. I guess technically you're a woman now. Thank you for being my only cousin to talk to me in the Philippines. I appreciate that. All you guys, talk to me the next time I'm there. But Gene, keep serving the Lord, keep going to church, be a good example to our cousins out there. And most importantly, this, no boyfriend yet, okay?
Sabihin mo, basahin mo.
Wala munang boyfriend. This is from me, okay? No boyfriend yet.
Good evening, Philippines, via satellite, Great Lakes Naval Base in Illinois. Jen, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana nandiyan kami kasamang nagse-celebrate ng iyong birthday. Pero alam ko you are surrounded by good people, godly people that is. And my prayer is for you to be faithful, ever more faithful as you grow spiritually. And I just pray that you will continue to serve Him in the ministry there. I would like to share with you a verse in Proverbs 31 that says, favor is deceit, beauty is vain, but a woman who fear the Lord, she shall be praised. So, Gene, alam ko maraming maganda ka, matalino ka, and you pretty much have everything materially. But I think you need to be proud, if you may, not in the boastful mode, that you fear the Lord. If any attributes I would like you to hang on to is that the fear of God. So, sana patuloy ka maglingkod kagaya ng sinabi ko, and always maging masunurin sa mommy and daddy. At gayon din, once you continue your studies, the Bible says, get wisdom, get understanding, forget it not, and neither decline from the word of my mouth. The most important thing in believer's life is to have the wisdom of God. And you cannot go wrong, and just continue to be faithful to Him. And again, obey your parents in the Lord. Mommy, Daddy, they are there to support you and give you all the encouragement that you will need. So again, God bless Philippines, mga kapatid, mga pamangkin, everyone, Pastor Lacan, and Ma'am Oyen, continue to minister to them there. Thank you. Bye, Philippines. Bye-bye.
Pamangkin, happy birthday. Nangangawit na si Ate Mau mo. So, just continue serving the Lord. Matthew 6:33, okay? Huwag ka muna makiki-boyfriend. Bata ka pa. Makinig ka sa mamit daddy mo. At saka sa pastor nyo. At saka kay Ma'am Oyen. Don't forget na ang Panginoon ang nagbibigay ng blessing sa atin. Continue to serve Him till He comes. Mga kabataan, mga pamangkin, magsilbi kayo sa Panginoon. Hindi kayo magre-regret. Pakinggan nyo si Pastor, okay? O sige, happy birthday muli. At saka ito, na-receive ko tong mga pasalubong mo 5 minutes ago. Si Ate Maureen, thank you. Clean up close up niya. Okay, bye-bye Philippines.
Bye, Philippines. Bye-bye.